So now this website I activate for the Google Webmaster here. Please write down URL google.com/webmasters. google.com/webmasters. This is the URL. We can type two types URLs. One is called google.com/webmasters or webmaster. I can show third URL google.com/webmaster/tools. Three URLs will be there. One is called google.com/webmaster, webmasters. Only it's different. Second thing is webmaster-tools. So click login for your Gmail address. One click. When you're logging your Gmail, one click for login for your webmaster. So this is called your webmaster. So please write down after login webmaster. Copy the website URL or blog URL. Website or blog URL. So look at my screen and copy my website URL. So go to webmaster. After copy the website or blog URL, go to webmaster. Write down steps. Click for add a property. Click for add a property. So here activate for the two links. One is called website. Second one is the mobile apps. See what is that? First will be website. This is called Android apps. Why? Because Google support only for Android apps. This is called Play Store. So I'm saying what is called website. Just copy your website or blog URL. Click for add. Select option call is website. Copy the website URL on the box. Click for add. Just follow the steps. Go to alternate method. After click add, go to alternate method. Or option call is click for HTML tag. Click for HTML tag. Copy this HTML tag. So here I can copy this code. Write down steps. Go to WordPress dashboard. In the option call is tools. Option called tools. In the first option call is available tools. Tools. The first option is called available tools. Just scroll down. Here, what is that? Google Webmaster tool. The showing for one option call is Google Webmaster tool along with the text box. Copy this code by this text box. Which code? HTML tag. Where you can copy this code? Google Webmasters here. This tag where you place tools, available tools. Option call is Google Webmaster. Take the checkbox. You paste by this checkbox here. So click for save changes. Activated. Look here. After activate on Google Webmaster, go to Google Webmaster. After activate you are on WordPress. Go to Google Webmasters. Please click for verify. Where you done the verify? WordPress site. Where you verify by Google Webmaster. The link will be verified by the Google WordPress site. Now verify by where? Google Webmasters. Now click for sir. Verify. So is it verified? So here, I give the notice one. If it is not verified, suppose that the main reason is your website homepage is no content. The Google Webmaster will be not verified. Main reason is your website homepage is no content. Your homepage will be no content. Your Google Webmaster will be not activated. Famous important question. If it is Google Webmaster will be not activated. Reason is your homepage is no content. Google Webmaster is not activated. The reason is homepage is no content. See here. What is that? This is called my WordPress site. So my WordPress will be activated. Is it clear? Now will be activated. So after that, you're starting by one process. Your blog will be index will be started. WordPress blog. Is it clear? This is called activation process by any website. Same process. Select webmaster, add property, website, copy the HTML code, paste by the website backend. But code pasting will be WordPress, blogger and website will be some changes will be there. Is it clear? So they track your keyword search results and spam content purpose. We'll give the one depth will class will be there. You can teach by the one webmaster class one perfectly.